If you'd like to see one of these tractors in our yard, guys, and physically come in and drive, give us a shout out, leave a comment below. A bulletproof tractor in the L series range that's going to be very, very useful for a lot of different applications that you need.